Hi guys. How to open a Samsung phone? I'm going to teach you. Wait 30 minutes. How to open Samsung phone? Yeah, I'll teach you. It's wait. I'll teach you how to open Samsung phone. I open for so less, and I maybe you try in front and back and open this. It will not come. And teacher see this is light will come. See this light. See. So open and see see, this is Samsung phone and this is camera and this is speaker and this is flash card and this is it's it and this for charger. Okay, and just for battery put one if you take your battery and this for dual sim. This and this will be so careful because for me phone also it will be so unbroken. See, and this is broke easily and a second one and be proper to the string. And in all the Samsung phone you don't put cover. It's not an iPhone 6 or 7. This I have a iPhone 12 as a cover protection, automatic protection. And this not this phone. And this is Nokia. This is Huawei phone. And Huawei phone is a um, best phone. And how to open this cover of Huawei phone? I'll teach you it. Many more lights. Oh, sorry. Huawei phone has specially opened cover. See, have to be careful. Huh. This is Huawei phone, and this is You may ask a question: which phone to buy? Do you use phone regularly, or sometimes, or weekly ones, or monthly ones, yearly ones? For yearly ones, you buy this phone. No, why? You use yearly ones. Make sure this phone has full charge and ask somebody to keep charge. That's why 85 grams India, 30 India 100 grams, 50 grams. I don't know, it's no, not check to buy any other divide into 20. And this is what this is basics one, and this I have no internet, only Gmail working, SMS and calling and command call and ongoing call. This is Nokia A60 and this is strong phone and this Nokia model. And this for early daily use for it becomes 6 years, 7 years phone age by using. This so my phone is not working and this okay just for early use and for use daily and for taking picture this is okay. And this is also a very good phone, and but this one is my experience is bad. And this for yearly use only like Samsung phone, but this phone is equal to Samsung phone, but the size is the phone size is different, but the all phone is good. And second thing, this phone is my use very bad phone. It's getting shock if you put a charger, and this phone is what is cunning easy scratch card. That's what. If you have kids, don't buy this one. It's my experience. Sure, kids, you have newborn maybe kids get shocks. You will not touch this phone. And thank you. Before you choose, before you tell what to buy best phone, buy iPhone. What to buy best phone? For my purpose, you buy iPhone. iPhone has iPhone 12, iPhone 8 Plus to iPhone 12s Plus. Okay, iPhone 8 Plus to iPhone 12s Plus. And Samsung is all the best phone, but not iPhone 1, iPhone 2, iPhone 3 is not best. Uh, iPhone all the iPhone 8 Plus to iPhone 12 is good. Mm, wait for 2 minutes. I just check. I iPhone 1695, but iPhone what? iPhone 1 80 grams. iPhone 5s 80 grams. Yeah, 80 grams for basic use. For 5s for 80 grams. For big use, basic use, for tabs to your school by iPad. iPad is equal to laptop. First, it has more definition. Thank you. For laptops, you buy Dell and HP. First, Dell. For PC, you buy Dell. Best. Like many technology, contact YouTube channel.